guys, this Fast on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, Miracles ABOAGYE exposed OKFM presenter today. Guys, KWAME TIKESE3 is known for running commentary on OKFM every morning, and he's the host of the program. He expresses his views about things that happen in this country, and sometimes invite guests to speak on the matter. Today, he has bitten more than he can chew. He decided to push an agenda against the person of Miracle ABOAGYE. Guys, KWAME TIKESE3 essentially lied on radio to about hundreds and thousands of people who listen to OKFM. You know how powerful Peace FM and OKFM is in this country. And a lot of people sit in Trotsky's very early in the morning to listen to this man. And imagine this man saying something about you. People will believe and run with it. And in fact, Miracles ABOAGYE was listening to this program this morning and got to know that KWAME TIKESE3, this old man, was sitting on radio to insult him. Miracle called in onto Joe, and spoke about it and condemned the fact that KWAME TIKESE3 was trying to malign his name. In fact, KWAME TIKESE3 kept on apologizing for doing that to Miracles ABOAGYE. Interestingly, the said allegation has fallen flat because Miracle exposed the lies, because there are a lot of people behind this agenda to kill his career as a young politician. So he pleaded with KWAME TIKESE3 not to repeat such a thing again. Miracles ABOAGYE went ahead to say that he dared KWAME TIKESE3 to expose the person who said that to him. He knows someone is behind it. And KWAME TIKESE3 kept on apologizing. And look at the hypocrisy and the embarrassment in the face of KWAME TIKESE3. Guys, have a listen.
See Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, 2024 flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party. Now, was signed a flag bearer hopeful for the MPP in 2028 elections. Now, you know, entry and come on. Again, is me watching.
Welcome, Joseph.
Now, Boko, dear.
I don't know me now, sir.
Boko, pa. Where dear, MC over comments be at me man and no pay. Matisse, when you are new, a coconut yaba in Kumba, Fachemi, Wadaruma, and Sakura, and Shem why.
Welcome. In fact, besides the car, Rekacho said, my friend, no, I was very upset.
I now also Ubofupa.
Now, you see, Juma, and your brave boy, I did crying, I need a dean. And one I did crying, I did crying, I need a dean. Now, for sure, WhatsApp, I won't send me send you a message before a day. Video no man, I send no message. I said, this is about the third time.
Oh, when you man you Kafra.
I think that
so who be a mamma mia. Where did you talk to me sound?
I think that far call now would be kind I say me find tell me trust in as a mamma can be breda.
Bacho,
Matter. But me sell. Nipa din dear. A sing BBA. Me sell. Say opportunity unya anapebiano one or may be in the kasa. But if a camera quite say opportunity no, it becomes weaponized against individuals. It's unfair.
Mati.
It's unfair.
Mati.
First of all, as some now kind no crabby anymore. Apart from saying no crabby anymore, and toss mumpu. And toss in a sense, so what say we call meeting be wada and a meeting na say. Ya bobo ni ama bebre ba MPP aye. Na we mu say na obi say aden na MPP ni aban bo hu de wuro. Na so be say ya de wuro bo hu nyina sika ma Miracles sebe. Nyanse bi anim tinka ne pa kono kran kese obi sa no. Because me no aban mu no na me ye den wom. Nti eba ne sen na ye wo information ministry. And a work communications directorate at the presidency. And a work communications directorate at the NPP headquarters. And a main Miracles and a main Dibre any day or Bam, any other publicity. for aban adwuma a waye hu sika bema me ba kwa me sewo adwuma ye obi anim akina enti ade a ebese wunua ebegu nua ho fi anyina so bie ne so no sewo eya na won so wahwe eya na won so wahwe o ka asem a o kan to fa me mu me no mi nim se ye onipa be bi a 30% bi o mo te wo de no ba media mike o mo nte nti de na wo kan na no mo de ko but a complete fabrication. It is clearly meant to smear me, it is clearly meant to malign me, and it is unfair. Say I buy no information ministry, not buy no communications directorate, both at the presidency and a party. Now we'll be watch it today. This one tobacco.
That my wedding, my minting.
Me no me dibia wa buy me then.
Me bow. Minia, where dear, me pesi bet was for. Now the entire me kasa ne say it was in relation to the Soko project. Yeah, about communication. One, but all the same,
but Soko project has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
I don't work. I have nothing to do with Soko. I don't. I may executive secretary to the Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization.
Oh, okay.
The presidential staffer. Soko. Soko. Project under local government ministry. Soko. PR unit. Soko. Coordinating project coordinating unit. Office or ministry. It has nothing to do with me. Absolutely zero. Nothing to do with me.
Oh, okay.
Again, the parkour catcher or no. It's more than. The parkour no meaning say who nim no. We are. Obeti a friend saying offline. Obeti ma boni dia.
Me boni dia chiro why?
Because you see the pap boni for say no. See me ni na yehu. Na etrede bia me no de be me ba bia na won so de akoye o baby.
Aye.
So what you say me am meeting baby I have nothing to do. Me am minister for information. Me am director of communication at the party. Me am director of communication of at presidency. Soko project here okay et local government a whole project unit, project directorate kese pa or more project coordinating unit and what regional offices across the country. Or more PR unit. I know nothing about if anything it's now be a cotton baby no what you so I mean to no say anka obi sa me mpo a sanka me cheche mu and that say o dey abeto abontin obi tie wo a me dey want
obi abeti what
please I beg you
Mate
ebi en me na nipa na dey yam you by tira no why ha na won so dey ayo na why o ya e say me dey no
Mate ase
so sebe dey nipa na kan nya se bi enim say me na me dey be den wa ban mu and aban ede publicity hu sike na ma miracles I say ya ton tomatoes and I say jene ya ton kwan so kan so na no di was studio mboa
no bi was studio
wonso di yemu hye no
kwame amo wa uni
kwame amo aha wonso kwame amo yemu hye no nti kwame amo yemi ami nua wo ba we a wo kan yi senye me na mafre e na me de to abonten se ya nka kwame amo hu mi a wa ha de bi kura bobitiri mu e bia ebusie ni bi kura tie me e wo mi krom latewu na wa tse wo se ya kama ban sike nyina ma miracles bi ko fia ohumia no mu na enso na no kura bi anim mesrewo
Mate
nipa din tie and you and I you know the relationship we have edume nyina na yeye
pa
nyina na yeye edume
pa
what make us say this is the third time besides Isaac makame kai three nyina o what the first one man from man kan wasem second one man from man kan wasem this is the third time why you see or
Mate
Kafra ni obi nya danfo na fi oni ho a why ni say Mr. Wadaroma
Mate pa and you answer now be kon we quick one so far yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign to say
na ba kwa mi answer na mebe no so kwa ade na me wutumi bo mi din wo na nipa ko na o ka che on de wutumi mu ni
I say who's what you ask me sir we
say wo gidi pa say nipa ko na sem na o ka che on nipa no e wo nyina so a so bo nipa no so din wo no bia nti obi etie wo Ghana bo nipa no din
sir wo de why
wo be so robo
macho
na je say juma no bi a tete say yan fan so
woni mi da sir Facha unya
let us we have to say yes yan fan tete so miracle because nka nipa no kan no bo ni din sisi a na ka okra mpo de be bo mpo ni say na ka wa fa na ka de na to
me person ye beto aso bebre de wa kire mu ya mpo ye
ba kwa mi so bi ka sam kire na sa nipa no suru say obebo ni din a na je say nipa na say hu straight away so twantro
no kre
na wa so na wo fi asem we na wo meeting mu ida nipa ne kan wo meeting nim nti na se nipa ebe wo nti boni din na ka fa no to line no so na fa me so me di line no so mo yem bi sa nipa ne sanka be boa we tiefu ana
ba se de wasi a kire mu a mejudi
Debbie would have funny panel to say, let's say, whether say, you want to watch it.
Have you? Young coming round one some cacra, Madama.
Remember the young mobile. Mamma, me a brandy, I feel like I be dead. I mean, I may bomb home. They say, you are not to think I'm going to do my son.
Hi guys, this Fast on Fights on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, Mugabe Manson has issued